Welcome to Woodcut Tech, where woodworking passion meets cutting-edge technology. Let's explore precise cutting techniques, smart tool usage, and modern machining processes. Each video takes you on a journey into the art and finesse of every cut. Universal Shredder, the ultimate garden waste solution with smart dual-feed hopper technology. This powerful shredder effortlessly chops branches and organic waste into fine mulch in seconds. With its user-friendly design and effortless operation, it's perfect for home gardeners. Unfortunately, despite its outstanding performance, this model has been discontinued, leaving a gap in today's market. Looking for a worthy alternative? Discover top-tier successors that deliver the same impressive results. This isn't just a saw. It's a monster of raw power and precision. Armed with 9 tungsten carbide blades and a massive 900mm cutting width, it chews through 370mm of solid hardwood like it's nothing. A perfect fusion of old-school durability and modern innovation, this beast turns your excavator into an unstoppable timber-slaying machine. Whether it's thick logs or stubborn stumps, nothing stands in its way. Strap it on, fire it up, and let the destruction begin. This is next-level cutting redefined. Meet the DL922DL, the ultimate wood processing beast for professionals. Powered by a monstrous 812 horsepower Caterpillar engine and equipped with 9 razor-sharp tungsten blades, this wood processing titan devours 500 cubic yards per hour, making it the perfect solution for industrial-scale operations. With 50 miles per hour road speed capability, it transitions seamlessly between job sites. The smart feed system and lightning-fast cutting transform even the largest logs into finished products in seconds. Raw power meets precision engineering. The DL922DL redefines wood processing efficiency. Witness the PDR 8021 in action, where 450 horsepower of pure power meets precision. This unstoppable workhorse delivers industrial-grade performance with its massive 450 horsepower engine, tearing through the toughest materials with ease. Designed for heavy-duty operations, it combines brute strength with intelligent engineering to maximize productivity. Whether it's large-scale demolition or precision material handling, the PDR 8021 operates smoothly under extreme conditions. Watch as it dominates the job site, power redefined, performance unmatched. Nature's beauty takes our breath away, yet human actions often leave us bewildered. That dismantled thing? I don't understand the reason, but life whispers that nothing happens without purpose. Tell me, friends, should we seek answers or simply let some mysteries remain? The forest keeps its secrets, and so must we sometimes. Tired of playing lumberjack with your aching back? Dorntech revolutionizes firewood prep with 21 tons of splitting force, turning stubborn logs into obedient kindling in one effortless push. The ergonomic height-adjustable platform lets you work standing tall, finally, while the integrated winch wrestles monster logs for you. Imagine splitting wood without breaking a sweat or your spine. The DM4003 saw dances through century-old oak like a master sculptor. Each razor-sharp cut so clean you can hear the wood fibers sing. With 53.4 HP of relentless power and a vibration-free workbench, it transforms the toughest logs into perfectly uniform sections with almost magical ease. This isn't just machinery, it's a symphony of brute strength meeting Swiss watch precision. For true equipment connoisseurs, witnessing this operation is nothing short of industrial poetry in motion. Welcome to the Ultimate Destroyer, AIRT-800. With a terrifying 800 horsepower and razor-sharp carbide teeth, this machine crushes tree stumps into sawdust in a flash. No more struggling with chainsaws, no more tiring hours. Just one pedal push, the whole forest trembles. This is no ordinary machine. It is nature's wrath tamed in your hands. Leave a comment below if you are ready for this incredible display of power. The FH20R hydraulic claw roars to life, crushing the ancient tree's roots in its iron grip. Torque twists through the earth, ripping soil apart like a storm. The excavator's arm heaves the mangled stump skyward, roots dangling like torn veins. The ground trembles, ready for the next devastation. The Eschelbeck Biber 110 wood chipper is an absolute terror, a 750 horsepower beast with a gaping 47-inch maw that doesn't just eat logs, it devours oak trunks whole. Mounted on a heavy-duty truck chassis, this machine pulverizes 420 tons of timber in 10 hours flat, the equivalent of a small forest. Its engine roars like a wild animal, spewing sawdust like a blizzard. This isn't a wood chipper, it's a primal force that grinds everything in its path to oblivion. This isn't a log splitter, it's a steel predator hunting for timber. With devil fang blades and lightning-fast strikes, it tears through the hardest oak like tissue paper. The engine snarls like a challenge, while each surgical-grade splitter strike sends chills down your spine. One wrong move and kiss your fingers goodbye. Crafted by mad geniuses, this machine proves the line between brilliance and recklessness is as thin as a saw blade. Admire from a distance. If you want to keep all your digits attached. This road clearly missed the memo. Uprooting a tree here feels like wrestling a prehistoric beast. Every pull, every yank ends in spectacular failure. At this point, bringing in bulldozers or wrecking balls wouldn't even surprise me. Now we wait. Will this stubborn monster finally surrender, or force the entire crew to admit defeat? The Austrian-made Spal K440 isn't just a wood processor, it's a timber-devouring power plant. Industrial blades slice logs with ruler-perfect precision before the hydraulic crusher, with terrifying 20-ton force, pulverizes them into uniform chips in milliseconds. This 600-horsepower beast can fuel an entire factory's energy needs. Its secret? A German-engineered gearbox that laughs at hardwood. Just don't ask about the price. Unless you're sitting down. This is no ordinary wood chipper. The Scorpion 350 SDB is the most terrifying high-speed timber predator in the industry. Each rotation of its drum wields 4 strategically positioned blades that shred everything to splinters in milliseconds. Its 84-horsepower turbocharged engine roars like a battle cry, while the hydraulic feed system devours logs with magnetic force. No stress controls needed, no downtime tolerated. Just relentless 24/7 demolition action. Stand near it, and you'll feel the raw power of a machine born to dominate all wood. Chewing through stumps with a chainsaw? Recklessly dangerous. Meet the SG-24 Stump Grinder, the next-gen wizard that transforms this risky job into child's play with its tractor remote control. Its intelligent slip clutch acts like a force field, slashing injury risks by 80%. Just throw on safety goggles and keep your workspace clear. This technology completely rewrites the rulebook on industrial safety. Meet the Titan 53-4 Premium. Uniforest's Slovenia, undisputed king of log splitters, where cutting-edge engineering meets raw power. This beast delivers a bone-crushing 400 kilonewton splitting force, enough to flip a full-grown oak, and features an 18-way hydraulic wedge that slices through 53 centimeters thick logs like a hot knife through butter. Its intelligent control system lets you customize firewood output size with one-touch precision, while the 36 HP diesel engine runs whisper quiet even under heavy loads. The hardened Hardox 450 steel frame minimizes vibration, making this the weapon of choice for professional lumber warriors. Watching the LT4 sawmill in action is like witnessing industrial magic. Rough timber logs, weathered by time, are transformed into silk-smooth boards under diamond-tipped blades with micron-level precision. Automated laser guidance systems adjust every cut to perfection, while smart conveyors instantly sort finished lumber. This isn't just a sawmill. It's a robotic artisan, turning raw wood into crafted masterpieces. Each operation is a mesmerizing ballet of technology that leaves even veteran carpenters in awe. From mighty oaks standing tall in the forest to the cheerful crackle in your hearth, firewood's journey weaves nature's perfect circle. Responsible woodcutting is an art of balance. For every tree harvested, 3 new saplings rise, transforming bottled sunshine into clean warmth. Each log not only heats your home, but reduces wildfire risks by 40% through careful forest management. This is where humans and nature breathe in harmony. Witness how this sustainable alchemy works. This homemade log splitter is a masterclass in ingenuity. By repurposing a hydraulic press and scrap metal, its creator engineered a fully functional firewood processor on a budget. While it may lack aesthetic polish, its raw power speaks volumes, demonstrating hydraulic force with brutal efficiency. Watch as rough logs surrender instantly to its relentless wedge. The results? Pure splitting perfection that puts fancy commercial units to shame. This upgraded DIY log splitter is a masterclass in blue-collar brilliance. Born from scrap steel and repurposed hydraulics, it transforms into a wood-wrecking beast with 20 tons of splitting force, enough to cleave the toughest oak. Its 8-way wedge system dances through logs with mechanical precision, spitting out perfect firewood every 3 seconds. The secret? A 10mm reinforced steel frame that outlasts commercial rigs costing 10 times more. This isn't just homemade equipment, it's every knotted log's worst nightmare. This log splitter is mechanical engineering at its finest, a masterpiece born to conquer even the most stubborn timber. Its spring-loaded auto-eject gate, 15mm steel stabilizer base, and multi-layer shock-absorbing rubber turn violent impacts into gentle kisses. The tungsten alloy splitting blade lasts 3 bites longer than industry standards, while the dual-action hydraulic system delivers 25 tons of butter-smooth splitting force. This isn't equipment. It's a wood wizard that transforms rough logs into perfectly uniform firewood with a single stroke.
Вот так. Давай. Наоборот. Еще.
The McCahill-Dozing Aztec Peterson 5710 grinder is a powerhouse in wood processing and material recycling. designed for unmatched efficiency and durability. With its high-performance engine and advanced grinding system, it effortlessly turns logs, brush, and even construction debris into fine mulch in record time. Key benefits include fuel efficiency, reduced noise levels, and minimal downtime, making it ideal for large-scale operations. Investing in the Peterson 5710 grinder means boosting productivity while cutting waste disposal costs. Perfect for businesses looking to optimize their workflow. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more awesome content. See you in the next one.